Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are 1.8 miles into this beautiful hike here in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. We're Anna D and Adam, bloggers living in Colorado. After the pandemic shut everything down in March of 2020, we took a hard look at our life up until that moment and realized that we'd barely hiked 10 trails in the 5 years we'd lived in Colorado. This was a wake-up call for us, as we were prioritizing all of our time in working versus living. So we decided to get outdoors more. Previously on the vlog, we packed up the family in 2 cars and drove from Golden, Colorado to Crestone, Colorado, stopping for lunch at the beautiful Collegiate Peaks overlook. We then set up camp at a cute Airbnb nestled in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains and did what we love to do. We took photos and video. During our first full day in Crestone, we explored town and searched for an art gallery that we never actually found. In today's vlog, we're attempting to conquer our longest hike yet. 12 plus miles. I was a bit nervous to do such a long hike since injuring my back this past summer. However, you'll be happy to know I survived. We hope you enjoy what is now our most favorite hike in Colorado. It's early, it's like close to 7, and this hike is 12 miles. So far, there's ample cell service, which is very surprising because the last time we drove up to the trailhead there was 0 cell service. So up until this point, which is about 0.2 or 3 of a mile, we got pretty good coverage still. So that's kind of exciting. All right, let's get walking because it's a super long hike and we don't want to tire out in the first mile. I feel like you're gonna have a collection of all these signs. Alright, let's carry on. As you can see, it gets a little rocky. So we started with sand, then we went to like normal dirt, and now we're climbing through some rocks.
It's hard back out, but it's a little bit loose in some areas.
Yeah.
But the hike is gorgeous.
I think we've climbed about 800 feet so far.
Yeah, and we are 1.3 miles in.
Yay, over 10%. We're reaching our very first clearing. Willow Lake Park, I think. So far, this hike hasn't been too bad. We're about to pass 9,600 feet. I still have cell service 1.7 miles in, so that's good to know. If you're out here. All right. And for once, Adam is going much faster than me. He's got those hiking poles and I'm very stubborn. All right, here we go. Oh. Okay. Oh gosh. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're about 1.7 miles into our hike here in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains.
Ooh, but I got some Spanish on that one.
Yeah, we started at 6:30 because it's gonna be like 11 plus miles today. So we wanted to get a really good early head start.
Yeah.
On our day.
Yeah, before the sunrise, I had my headlamp on, kind of shining a little path up there, getting us up there.
So that's why we're doing our intro now, so far into the hike.
Yeah.
Well, we wanted to tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah, totally. So go ahead, what are some facts?
All right, so I've got my facts here from All Trails.
Yeah.
So we're, I think, 9,900 feet above sea level?
Something like that, yeah.
So we're gonna get up to 11,648 feet. So it's 2,880 feet of elevation gain, right?
Yeah.
Did I say that right?
I'm looking at it right now, it's 2851.
Yeah, give or take on who you're asking.
Yeah. Right now we're in this rock, so we're actually a little bit higher than that.
And basically it's 5-ish miles out to the first lake, 5-ish miles back. Apparently there's an upper lake that we've been told we should go. We'll see how we're feeling and time constraints.
Yeah. And there's supposed to be a waterfall also between the upper and the lower lake.
Yes.
So we'll definitely go check that out. At least we'll walk over there and see the waterfall.
Yes. If you add another half an hour and track on a mile or so, you can reach the falls at the east of the lake, which will allow you to see Challenger Peak, Kit Carson Mountain, and Obstruction Peak. Just remember to account for the additional time and mileage for your return trip.
Yeah, definitely. And if you are coming here, there are no motorized vehicles allowed.
But it is dog friendly.
It is dog friendly. We've seen lots of horse poop. I hope it's horse poop and not moose poop.
As long as we don't run into a moose like last time.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
So let's see, we covered that. There are several campsites along the way, even when you drove up. Oh, so the road is very roady. It's mostly fine until we hit a couple we hit a couple of super rough spots, but in the Forester, Fez did just fine. So if you have a high clearance vehicle with all-wheel drive, you should be just fine to make it to the trailhead. And most importantly, because I know that everybody who follows here wants to know, there are bathrooms at the trailhead.
Like actual bathrooms?
Like proper bathrooms.
Yeah.
Mountain bathrooms.
We'll probably do some footage of that when we get back, so it'll be like really bright. And you're like, why is it bright? So see you on the way back.
Anything else?
So we're gonna continue on this hike, and we'll bring you lots of pretty pictures, lots of pretty views, and all that good stuff.
But we're gonna hustle because it's really long, so.
Yeah. We'll just show you the pretty stuff.
Yes.
Everything's pretty.
Everything's pretty. It's beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
All right, so we have reached this clearing back here, which is Willow Creek Park. It is about like 2 miles into the hike-ish, give or take. I still have cell phone signal a little bit, and we've reached this opening here where you can see all these beautiful aspens. This would be a perfect fall hike right during peak season. This used to be a shallow lake right behind us. So for the next mile or so, we're gonna be climbing 800 feet that way towards the mountains. That out. Okay, we're about almost 3 miles in, and Sweetser is up there somewhere. That's a beautiful view. There's Challenger Point up there. At least I think that's what mountain that is. Every time I think I figured out what mountains are what, they end up not being right. So I think that's Challenger. Might be wrong. But anyways, most importantly, espresso coffee beans. Thanks, Dad, for packing me this goodie bag.
I'm eating a sandwich.
Ándale.
Oh, okay.
This will not do it justice. But these aspens are spectacular. And maybe you hear some water in the distance. I'm not even sure yet. But there is a waterfall way past these aspens that looks really pretty. I'm not sure if that's the waterfall that we're looking for, but I'm excited. So far we've made really good time. We still have a little bit of cell service. We're past the halfway mark, so over 3 miles, and still a little bit of cell service. So we'll keep you updated on that. How you doing back there, Sweetser?
It is absolutely beautiful, and just feels so energized in here. It feels so clean in nature, and oh, it's just wonderful. I'm so glad we can see some of the aspens still.
They're spectacular.
Even though it's kind of like towards the late part of October, it's still absolutely gorgeous.
Yep.
So let's keep on going. We're gonna get to that waterfall.
Woo! Almost fell.
Hit the trail, Bruce. Don't you come back till you find that waterfall, fall. Hit the road. hit the trail, Bruce. Don't you come back no mo. Let's go.
Check out these frosties. That for view. So down there, that little patch, that's where we came. That's Willow Creek Park. And we're parked past that 2 miles around the corner somewhere. But this view is unreal. And we're going all the way up and around. This is crazy. This is so rocky. Yeah. Now it's getting rocky. How you feeling?
I'm feeling really good. The amount of elevation though is really increasing now.
Yeah.
Quite exponentially.
Can't wait though.
Getting a little out of breath, but yeah. As Anna just said, can't wait to see those beautiful, beautiful waterfalls.
It just gets more and more unreal the higher you go. Let's see if I can show you a proper view. Ah! All that is rock. Make those adjustments. There you go. There's the view. Check out the ice. Oh, wow. All right, and we're moseying back. Eventually we'll find this lake. We feel great. But this is getting a little long. And a little bit of snow. All right, we're getting close to Willow Lake. And somebody has left this. Or I guess the Park Service has left this. And there's the rope.
This is super nice.
That's really kind.
And your stuff?
Yep, because the campground's here.
Your stuff up.
There's a wire up there going from 2 trees. So how great is that?
That is really nice of them.
Yep. See, there we go. Campsite. And the lake is close. Wow. That's really pretty. All right, let's go find this lake.
It looks like we made it right on the other side of these rocks. You can start seeing the waterfall.
Okay, you ready for it? What we've been working for. I know you're excited to see everything that we've worked for. So you ready? There you go. We just finished lunch.
It was delicious. You made some delicious sandwiches.
Thank you. You're welcome.
So we're gonna head back to the car. It took us about 5.5 hours to get up here, and it's already 1:13.
Yeah.
So we wanna get back before it gets dark up here.
Pretty much, yeah. And lunch was amazing. We found a really cool rock to have some lunch. We saw one sad little fish just kind of putzing around the little lake. We took Droney out.
Yeah.
And got some great pictures. So a little bit of FAQs on Willow Lake.
Yeah. So the waterfall itself, it's 150 feet tall, and you can hike over there. And it's about a mile hike from here. We're not going to do it today just because of the time.
Time constraint, yeah. And the trail continues on. Apparently there's like an Upper Willows Lake too, but it took us a while to get here. And for the sake of daylight, because we aren't camping in the woods, we need to get back.
We got about 5 more hours of daylight. And going downhill, we know it's going to be a little bit faster, but we still want to get there before sunsets.
Before it gets too dark, yeah. So.
Anything else?
I think the lake is what, 700 feet wide?
Something like that, yeah, because I flew the drone almost all the way across, and it was about 900 feet, I guess.
Oh, 900, okay.
I was about 900 feet away, and maybe a little bit more, so let's just say 1,000.
Yeah, so it's a pretty big lake, and it's beautiful. The water's pretty clear.
Oh, so it's super clear. Like, you can see the fish and see the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Totally fine.
Yep, so I think we're gonna end here, but as usual, we may see some stuff along the way, which Adam will include, but otherwise, please hit that subscribe button. And oh, what do we need to talk about?
Oh, okay. Yeah, so 2 things to talk about. One is the temperature. When we started this hike, it was 28 degrees, and right now it's about 35, maybe a little bit more than that. So the batteries on my camera would not even turn on, or the camera would not even turn on, because it's too cold.
What he means by that is the GoPro.
Yes, the GoPro would not turn on. So it's all the footage.
We had that problem at Keystone last year.
We did. So all the footage was either from Anna's camera or from my cell phone. So if it's a little bit different quality than you're used to.
It's because of the cell phone.
Basically. Okay, yeah, so the other thing that Anna was talking about.
Yes.
I love seeing people's gear, what they take with them on hikes and different ventures.
Uh-huh.
So
if you like to see what we take with us on hiking adventures, there's a little link below to show you all of our gear kit. And what is it called?
Yeah, so it's kit.co, and it's just our kit.co, Anna D and Adam. And we've got car camping on there, which we're going on next weekend.
Yes.
We'll be doing car camping. So all the gear we take with us, car camping.
Yes.
Vlogging, so just like our camera gear. And then our hiking gear, so the stuff we took today with us, it's all in there for you in case you're interested in seeing it.
Yep. And without further ado, please hit that subscribe button. Don't even think about it. If you've made it this far, you like us enough to hit that subscribe button, and also give us a follow on Instagram and share this video. If you know anybody coming to Colorado or the Sangre de Cristo Mountains right by Crestone, specifically that's where this hike is, share it with them.
Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.
Bye. Oh, I think I missed it together. You want to see something cool? Oh, wait. That up. So we are 1.8 miles into this beautiful hike here in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains.
Ooh, Spanish accent on that one.
You had crap on your lip. We need to start again. Stop.